In order to use the AWS CLI, we'll have to create a user. And in order to create a user, we'll first need to build a user group to which we've attached the right roles. I'm going to go ahead and create an administrator's user group and give it the administrator access role. This way, the user I make will have full access to do whatever I need to do. In practice, you would want to consider restricting the roles in the group you want to use to be only the ones you need for your application. Okay, let's go ahead and hit Create Group. Let's call this Administrators. And let's search for the Administrator Access role. There it is. Go ahead and hit the checkbox, and then hit Create Group. Great. So Administrator Group is up.